Hello guys, welcome to Journey with Char. We're going to make a really quick fun funnel cake recipe. I'm coming up with all kinds of recipes, y'all. But yes, you cut up the strawberries and you put a little bit of sugar just to draw out the juice of the strawberries. Let this sit for a little while. And I made some homemade whipped cream the other day. And we're going to make funnel cakes. So you guys stay tuned for that. Y'all, Mama has squeezed all the lemons from this. And this is what she got from the lemons, y'all. She is not playing. That's for lemon water, lemonade. And we're going to use some right now just to put on these strawberries so that the strawberries can stay pretty. Mommy added a little bit of sugar and just add a little bit of lemon juice just to keep that. And she can toss that. Make sure all that's nicely coated. All right, y'all. So we're tossing that all together. And we're going to let that come together and see what we can get out of this funnel cake. I'm so excited. Here they go. So we found these funnel cakes at the Dollar Tree. So this is a Dollar Tree funnel cake. You're still able to walk into Dollar Tree. So this brand has a lot of different, they have cherry pie, apple pie. And when I saw the funnel cake, I said, oh my goodness, that is something fun to just show you guys. Now that you're inside, you may want to do something fun to remind the children when you go to Disneyland, Knott's Berry Farm, or whatever fun place you guys go. You know where you get those funnel cakes, circus, fair. The fair more so than the circus, I think. But yes, so stay tuned for this funnel cake. So we have our canola oil here. Let's put that there. But what we're first going to do is, I have this tip. I don't know if this is the tip that I'm supposed to use, but that's the tip she's going to use today. I have that tip. I have the couplet. Let's see if we can remember how to do this. So you're going to bring this all the way through here. There we go. There we go. See, like that? And then we're going to take this tip, which is sterilized and clean, and put it there like this. Like so. So we have this bowl right here. And watch what's going to go into this bowl. It's so exciting. These are the ingredients, if y'all can see. Well, not the ingredients, but the instructions on the back. Bam. And we're going to do this quick and easy Friday night treat. This is what it looks like. Comes in there. And this is at the Dollar Tree. Would you believe I saw? You know, you can go to that Dollar Tree and you will find all kinds of quick and easy, fun little desserts and fun things. Now, you can make your own recipe. I do. But I'm showing you guys, and I don't usually make funnel cakes. Funnel cakes is usually just for the circus. But when I saw this, I said, this looked like this would be so much fun. You can give them like a circus night in the backyard. Make some of these funnel cakes and you're good to go. And I'm going to do this in the Instapot, honey, because she's not going over to that stove. And we got to get the Instapot and I'm going to warm it up. But in the meantime, I'm going to get this ready. We're going to set Pretty Girl right here. Okay, so we're going to plug her up, put that there. I'm going to get another bowl, you guys, and then we're going to mix it. I'm going to show you that, and then we're going to add it to the Instapot and see how it comes out with the funnel cake, okay? So stay tuned. Yay! Okay, y'all, I want to show you the whipped cream. I did this Sunday, and this whipped cream is still good. Still delicious. So I said I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to put that on the funnel cake, child. So I'm going to put this over here, and then I want to show you the fruit. How you did the fruit, and I think I showed that. But you just add some strawberries, a little bit of sugar. And look at all of that juice it extracts from the strawberries. So we got some strawberries there for those who want strawberries. This one is a mixture of strawberries and blueberries. Okay, so we got that done. So I brought out another one of these because this is where I'm going to put the milk and the eggs. Okay, so remember it's 2 eggs, 3/4 cups of milk. So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna fry this. So what would I do if I want to cook? Soup, meat, cake, eggs, saute, adjust. I'm gonna see if I do a saute. Let's just see if this will work with the saute. So it's saute and adjust. So I put it to more so it can get real hot. So I hit saute. Let's do it again, because I don't even want y'all to get confused. So saute and then adjust. Bam. So if I hit adjust, there we go. It's the adjust. Okay, let's do it one more time so y'all can get it again. Saute, adjust. It's at normal. So I want it at more, okay? If you want it less, you hit it again and it go there, but I'm not gonna do it there. Okay, so this is gonna be 30 minutes. We're gonna wait for this to get hot. In the meantime, let me get this mix ready. Let's put that to medium. So I'm gonna turn it off. I know this machine is saying, is she crazy? Saute, and we're going to do adjust, and I'm just gonna do it to normal. So y'all see what I just did? There we go. So she's at normal. So we beat the milk and eggs. Now we're gonna add the funnel cake mix. It says beat until smooth and creamy, y'all. I'm trying to move fast. Cause this, look who's fast already. Yes, she's that hot already. All right, go on and beat that in there. Y'all, this is real fast and easy Friday night. This ain't nothing biggie, no biggie. So we're gonna chew this, try to move fast. All right, y'all get the idea. Let me beat this like crazy. Ooh. And then I'm gonna put it in the bag, so y'all stay tuned. Okay, you guys, we forgot to do the star of the show. It says vegetable oil, but I'm using canola oil. 1 cup. So we gotta let that get hot. And I think if you want, you can probably put some cinnamon in here and different kind of flavors. So this is what the dough is looking like so far, y'all. We're gonna do this real quick. Honey, this is some exercise. Woo-wee. We're gonna put this down in there. Y'all pray for your girl. Pray for your girl. Lord have mercy. I see why you need to fold it down though. Oh Lord have mercy. Jesus help me, Lord.
Is that the icing?
Lord help her, Jesus. Okay, let's see. Then we're gonna bring that back up. What's she doing, Lord? Okay. All right. Let's go over here. Y'all, this is what we do. Funnel cake. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Mama said it's enough. Okay.
Yeah, because it was coming out of tongue.
So we're gonna see what that funnel cake does. Mommy got the tongues. They saying 6, child. Well, we did a big one.
We did,
okay.
huh?
We're gonna let that sit. That's what it's looking like so far. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna flip it. It may be too soon, but she gonna flip it. It look pretty though.
Pretty though.
Okay, we're gonna see.
Nice first timer.
Okay, you guys, so I just took it out. And that is what it looks like. I want to get some of that oil drain. Mommy's going to put that down over here. She going to try to do this again. I want it more funnily looking. I hope that's working. I think you're supposed to do like zigzags on. Y'all, I don't know. Is that true? Yeah, I think so.
Does Disney and Knottberry Farms be zigzags?
Child, I don't know. Okay, so that one's cooking. Mommy's gonna open up that powdered sugar and pour a little bit on top of here. Because I think you want to put it in while it's still kind of hot. Ooh. Ooh. Yummy for the tummy. Okay, that's enough sugar, child. Want to build a snowman?
Well, you were telling me.
All right.
Yummy for the sugar.
Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put strawberries on top of this one, y'all. I'm just gonna flip it. Y'all, look how easy that is to flip. So this is fun, quick, and we're gonna taste it. And we're gonna scoop some of that. One. Child, 2. All right, y'all. Then we're gonna take these strawberries right here, like so. And we're gonna take some of this and just put it on top. Y'all, she still got the paper towel. Y'all get the
Oh my
idea.
gosh,
I do.
You do.
I still got the paper. And I know one of the things, the main thing is the juice. I think you have to get that juice in there. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at that. How fun. That is so cute.
I am.
Okay, you can work on that while I'm finishing this. So cute.
Oh, girl.
But y'all, look how pretty that funnel cake is. Quick, simple, and easy. Now it's test time. You know how you do the classic pull yes. So it's got that classic funnel cake pull. Oh my God. That is Knott's Berry Farm all day. That's the second one. Mommy's going in. Taste it, Mommy. You gonna tell us the truth? I tasted it. It is really good.
They gonna know.
No, it really is good.
They gonna say, of course your mommy's gonna say.
Taste it.
It's good.
It is so Knott's Berry Farm.
I'm near the
Y'all.
log ride.
Huh?
I'm standing near the log
Yes,
ride.
it is so Knott's Berry Farm. Okay, you guys, so this is the third funnel cake. Joshua is enjoying his funnel cake. Look at her, y'all. She is
So
not playing. That
delicious.
funnel cake is really good. I'm trying to get those little open areas, y'all. It's so hard for me to do that. They have a funnel. You can use a funnel and just go whichever way. So these are the fresh strawberries. The homemade whipped cream is almost gone. And this is just so fun to do with your family when you want to have a circus night. And it reminds you of a pancake. It really does remind you of a pancake. And the Instapot is doing fantastic. You can even make it hotter. I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to make it too hot. But yeah, you can even make it hotter. So yes, you guys, I'm going to get this one dressed up and finish out the rest. Y'all, you already seen the end product, but I'll show you this one. All right, so stay tuned. You put your powdered sugar on, kind of like how you do a beignet. Let it sit, because right when you take it out, you want it to drain a little bit, but you still want it hot so the powdered sugars can sit. Then you do your whipped cream and put on your strawberries, honey. So it has bubbles. That's when I know to flip it. All right, there we go. All right, you guys, this one is the last one I'm making tonight. Just check it out. This one, can you imagine this for 4th of July? And just add a little bit of whipped cream. Y'all, I'm almost out of whipped cream, that's why. But look how pretty that is for the 4th of July. So cute. Very, very cute. Okay, so that's one. And then this last one, that's what it looked like, you guys. I don't have to put the top on. So these are pretty much what the funnel cakes look like. Turned out fantastic. And we only have a little bit of dough left. And a little bit more strawberries. And everybody's done Mama's plate. Mama ate this entire thing. She loved funnel cake. Y'all look.
It's good.
It's Friday night, I guess she said. All right, you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char. If this is your first time seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Also, please give me a thumbs up. And also let me know below, have you ever made homemade? Well, this is not homemade. Have you ever tried the Dollar Tree funnel cake mix? Okay, you guys, be safe in your neck of the woods. Remember, trust God, keep him first. He'll always lead you in the right direction. Be blessed and have a lovely, lovely weekend to come. Thank you so much. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.